Meet the air handling unit, the true heart of any HVAC system. But here's the twist. Installing it? That's just half the job. Now comes the real challenge, testing and commissioning. Because performance, safety, and reliability, that's what truly defines a job well done. Airflow, dialed in. Ducts, leak-free and locked down. Controls, synced and smart. And vibrations, silenced. This isn't just a checkup, it's a performance tune-up for your AHU. Ready to boost your skills? Start learning today. Head over to our course portal at hgsdk.com. Register now on the LMS, it's quick and easy. Whether you are in ITI, Diploma, or Engineering, this course is built just for you. Let's power up your HVAC career together.